magazine. Today we're going to be looking at a specific part of the 2020 Tacoma TRD Pro. Now most of this truck's already been well covered. We know about the incredible Fox suspension it's got. It's got Kevlar tires on here, the excellent TRD desert air intake. Fantastic features on this truck. But what we want to show you today out here in the hills is how to use the locker, the A-track, and terrain select. How well do they work? How do they work? We're going to take it up into some mogul areas, we're going to take it into some sand, and we're going to show how the locker and these other items actually work for wheeling versus just going around and showing you all the things you've probably already seen. So follow along as we teach you how to use the traction control devices in your Tacoma TRD Pro or your 4Runner TRD Pro. To engage terrain select, be in neutral 4 low. As you can see, we're in 4 low. Up here on the console is the dial. And you're going to push this button. You're going to set it for what you want. For example, here, you can see it says mogul. If I turn it again, loose rock, mud and sand, going back, loose rock, mogul, rock and dirt, and then finally just rock. So you pick the terrain select that you want, and then to go out of it, just press the button and again, it'll go away. Deactivate it. And that's how you do terrain select in the TRD Pro, TRD Offroad.
No brakes. So I'd call it ever so slightly faster than I really want to be going, but it's not bad.
So here's how you engage the locker in the TRD Offroad and TRD Pro vehicles. You can see that the truck is in 4-wheel drive. Of course, that's the green emblem, and then just to the right it says 4 low. Once you've confirmed you're in 4 low, we're going to look up here at the console. And right here is the locker. You can see it's got the little X for the rear. You're going to push that. And back here you're going to see, oh, it's already there. It quit blinking so fast. So that red emblem just to the left of 4 low, that means your locker is engaged and now you can drive. You want to be in neutral. To get out of it, go back to the console, press it, and it's already gone. That's how you engage the locker. The Toyota Multi-Terrain Select and the rear locking differential are both excellent systems in the TRD line of trucks. Of the two, we found the locking differential propelled us up this deeply rutted hill climb more smoothly than the multi-terrain system. But you'll have to experiment for yourself to see which system works best for you, because all trails and terrains are different. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your TRD, and please click subscribe now to our channel for all things 4-wheel drive Toyota.